Mark Adams just said, I wonder what kind of snacks Colorado has.
Go! Yeah! Shut up, I'm trying to sleep.
I'm terrified right now.
Daddy's like Mario. Woohoo! Do it!
Okay, my socks are very...
Wait, that didn't go.
We're tackling Mount Everest.
Seatbelt required. Make sure
It's maybe more difficult than we anticipated.
Building a snowman because my insurance is way too high. I can barely walk. Building a snowman? Building a snowman. Oh, starts now.
All right. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Okay.
Why does it look like that volcano from that volcano song?
Oh, the lava song?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. He has one arm and a little bit of back hair. Like literally, this is what it's like in the movies. All right, we're gonna go exploring a little bit in the snow.
Woo! Hey, don't do that! Don't do that!
Down my shirt.
I can't
go down this way.
I can't focus on the camera and my feet.
Texans clearly don't know how to navigate. Clearly don't know how to navigate the snow.
Oh my gosh, that's actually perfect.
Oh, pretty good.
And not phone!
Oh my gosh. So bad at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it is so cold.
Look at your pants! What's over there?
No, it's like a house.
Knock.
No, I'm too scared. I'm just gonna run away.
Oh my gosh, it's here!
So cold, so exposed. My pants are coming down. And in pool.
People. Ow!
Careful! If y'all did 10 push-ups every time Max falls while holding the camera, you guys would have so many arm
80,
muscles.
probably.
You know, I feel like this is somebody's house that we're like trespassing on. So we found an abandoned pool.
It's a little deep.
I'm 5'8".
Okay.
Sure. Why are y'all doing that? Wait, did you guys build that snowman? It's like sparkly.
Disney.
I like want to call him Olaf, but at the same time I kind of don't. Make a snow angel?
No!
Max, can you make a snow angel? Are you eating it?
Hold on my head!
Oh my gosh, it ripped his shirt. Why are y'all literally lying down?
Help me, I've fallen and I can't get up.
It kind of worked a little bit. Attack the snowman! Max, if you'll hold the camera.
Yeah.
I'm like basically Elsa.
Potato snow.
Oh, okay, wait, ready? Oh, you knocked him off real good. This is mystifying. It's frosty. I mean, I guess what did I expect? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Those are like real Christmas trees right there too. What are you doing? Snowball fight! How do you make a snowball? My question is to all of you guys who have apparently been around snow before. How do you make the perfect snowball? I don't know. All right, we're going up a really steep hill now. Sliding up the hill. We stopped and got snacks.
Out of it.
Insurance! Oh, careful. We were pulling up last night. When we got to the airport, it was like 37 degrees, nothing bad. And then we pulled up here and it was 19 degrees.
Guys, wait for this weird sound. Wait for it. Guys. So you wait for it. We're having some technical difficulties. The back wheel is stuck on some snow. Yeah, my dad's trying to figure it out.
Sup?
I don't know how we're going to get out. Oh, there's the hero herself.
Hot water.
Yeah.
We have no idea what to do, so this is what we're trying. We have our car stuck quite.
Why don't you just go into Google and say how to get your back wheel out stuck if it's stuck in the snow?
I think we need some. Wood.
This is a mess.
We are in quite the situation.
What's it stuck to? As I'm being a gentleman to clean this nice person's car off.
And the car is very much stuck in the snow.
Try to forward again.
Forward again? Okay. Okay, I'm putting it in park. Hi. We need a tow truck.
And after this, my mood very quickly deteriorated.
We have a man to help us, to save us. Dad took the little boys out to food, so I'm dealing with this alone. I want to cry because this is not going as I like planned our vacation to go. We were just gonna go to Walmart and buy a sled and it turned into this. Oh my gosh, oh my God, they're pulling the car. Shoving it and pulling it off the ice. This is so bad. This is what happens when Texans go to Colorado. Merry Christmas. Happy Vlogmas, guys. I feel like I should be helping, but I'm not. I'm actually like about to cry. He's having me sit in the car and like pull it. I just don't want to be responsible for crashing this car.
Alright, let's try it straight. Just leave it in park, see what happens.
See what happens. I'm about to cry. I'm so stressed. The car's shaking. Oh my God, the car's shaking. I'm literally sitting inside.
Yeah, you can pull it up all the way or...
Yeah, I feel like I just don't want to move the car anymore. I'll probably just stay here and then
in the morning, go down. Or
backwards.
Just, I want to try to turn around.
Yeah, I think that's not a
Too
good
big.
idea. Yeah. I'm about to break down and weep. I need to like walk around. I don't know why I'm so stressed. I'm fine. I'm literally fine. No, it's good. We're good. We pulled the car out. He told me how to do it correctly. This lady just came to the door, and apparently our big car, after it had been moved, was blocking the like way that she had to go to get home. And she like came to the door, and I was like, I was crying, and I was like, I don't know why I'm crying. I shouldn't be crying. This is so stupid. I'm just really stressed. I shouldn't be stressed anymore because it's all fine. But I went out and I was like, I'm sorry. Our car just got stuck. And she was like, I know. I was waiting there for 30 minutes trying to get home. And so I just kind of like went over and I quietly like moved the car just a little bit out of her way. When it was her driveway that got our car stuck in the first place. Not stressed. I'm fine. I probably just need food and sleep. This is not how I planned this to go. Like, this is like a series of unfortunate events because first Max got lost in the airport.
I just missed my train and my family's far away.
Because it was my fault he got lost actually because he got onto a train and I didn't follow him. Second, Mark Adams says he has a cold and then the car gets stuck when we try and like go out and I'm just like, ah! I'm probably gonna go join my family at dinner. Once I put myself together.
He's doing it! He did it.
Ah, he did it!
Finally.
It's okay, we're good.